Hey, what's going on, Elite Owners? Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a channel in a 2019 GLA. First, you're going to pull back on your control wheel. When you pull back on your control wheel, it's going to bring up the bottom borders here. Notice now we see preset. We're going to press down on our control wheel to go into preset. Go and push that straight down. Once you do that, we're going to go down to edit station preset. We're going to push in once more on our control wheel. And then we're going to find a channel that we want to get rid of. Once we highlight it, we're going to pull our control wheel to the right. In this case, I chose Heart and Soul. So again, we're going to pull to the right because we want to get over to that area there. So we're going to pull to the right. Now, just in case you did not see it, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when you pull to the right. See? And then we're going to go down to delete highlighted station. And then we're going to select yes, and we're going to press in on our control. And that's how you delete a channel in a 2019 GLA.